welcome. Desert Just Planning here. If you've never been here, I'm glad you found me and I found you. I hope we stick together through this planning journey, and I hope that I inspire you in your planning adventures. If you have been here before, I am super excited that you have came back, that you've come back to plan with me, set up with me, and please, by all means, send me a comment on things that you would like to see. And if you're a part of the Happy Planner Stash Challenge, so it's the HP Stash Challenge over there on Instagram. It's been created by Creatively Lisa Marie. I have really absorbed that because I want to use my stash and get familiarized with the Happy Planner. So I thought that would be the best option. So I have all these teacher and student sticker books that I don't know which one I'm going to use. So instead of sitting here and not recording because I'm still trying to figure it out, I'm just going to hit the record button and let's go for it. So I am using, as soon as I find it, because I think I lost it, the memory keeping dates and holidays to date all of my undated planning thingamabobbers here. So here we are on week 4. Now I need to make sure, because I think we have 5 weeks that we're going to plan with. So this is week 4, and then this will be week 5. And then if you use an extension packet, you always get like an extra sheet or 2. So that's what that is. So before I forget, I'm going to make sure I do that. This isn't where my planner goes. This is where my planner gets decorated. So I will have, there is a plan with me, or a setup with me at the beginning of the month, so it has to have already been downloaded. If we're doing week 1, it has to already be live for you guys. You can go ahead and go to that and see how I convert this into my main hub. So let's go ahead and, what do? We finished with 21, so let's do 22. I've already pulled this sheet out, but it is the main hub. But I decorate my planner prior to the month, and it won't all fit, so I can't like decorate this sheet and then put it in my planner. It's not gonna happen. So here I have all of them decorated. So I have them decorated in advance. I think that's what I was saying. I had to go take care of my daughter real quick. So we got Rad Teacher. This is big, so it's definitely not going to fit in this bad boy. And then we got Happy and Action Teacher. And we got Student. And then we got Teacher. This is like literally my favorite one. And then we got Bold Student. And then this is the like one of the first teaching ones I got. So there's probably a lot missing from this one. So if I just want to decorate this, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these. I'm going to put all of them at the top. If I could get them straight. Like that is, there's my pet peeve right there. I just need to do everything crooked. Everything just needs to be crooked. And that might not be a bad idea. Just go crooked. Let's just do that. Let's just be crooked. Things to do. And then we got today. Let's do this, remember, because it's purple. Remember. Get it done. Let's do another things to do. and get it done. Okay, that works for me. And then we'll throw in these pencils. Oh, definitely not on the dark blue line. Looks like I have more yellow standard pencils. So school originally starts, so we have a 9th grader, and he goes to school the day before everybody else, along with kindergarten and 6th grade. So if you go to a brand new school, then they have it to where you go to school the day prior before everybody else. And really, it's not about going to school. It's about, you know what, eventually when I go get my white out, I'm just going to go back through my planner and white all that out. It's about getting familiar with your new place, your new location. So let's bring this one up, since I have all of them kind of clustered. That's all I have. All right, so then I just have these, which is fine. And then we have like the little holidays. And we have that. And then we have some tabs. And then, let's see. I got some silver going on, so we'll just do this. Just gonna add some decoration. A little bit of silver. A little bit of silver in my life. A little bit of... Yeah, we all know that's not the song I'm really singing. Okay, just to add some texture. All right. So let's put the owl down here. It's the first week of school. Merry every and happy always. Okay, so I can't use that one because that's definitely for Christmas, I would say. Don't know about any of that happening. That's gold, right? Can't use that. Okay, see, I used the bejesus out of this one. I need to find out when all these days are because I think that would be fun. Let's just pull this out. I think this would be fun to set up. Okay, so teacher's rule, I can't use anymore. And I know these colors are not going to match, so we're just going to pass that over. And we're going to grab this teacher one in hopes that we can have some more. And we're doing silver, so let's not grab anything with those colors on it. These don't match either. Nope, so we're not using that one. So this teacher is not being used. I gotta keep it because I think I'm gonna go through all my planners and use the same thing for each week. Okay, hopefully this one. Hey, I don't think you go here. Matter of fact, I know you don't go here. All right, you could do some smiley faces. We got silver, right? We could do that. We could do that one. These are not supposed to be in this one. All right. So hopefully we don't have to reschedule anything. So we have a few of these. Let's do that. And let's put this to do. Let's like totally cover that up. We could alter this pencil just a little bit. There we go. And then we have this one. I don't want to put it right there. Okay. And we have this one. And we're just going to put it right there. We're just trying to add some more, so I don't know what we're trying to do. Like this is silver. Guess we'll just put that on that one. And look, we use this whole sheet. Already have it to do on that one. So that sheet's gone. We're not using these to-dos now. We're just going to put the smiley faces. Alright, that sheet's gone. It's way over there. Okay, so I got all that going on for me. I still want to use these 4. And I don't know where. So we'll figure it out, but that sheet needs to be gone as well. So I need something on the side. I think that's where I'm going to use these 4 at. Should I do that one? Because that looks like it's been brutal, man. Let's just do that. All right, I think we're going to be done. Yeah, these are abused. Okay, that's all I can do. All right, so we use student. Well, did we? I think that's student, but I'm just going to say we use teacher, okay? Teacher roles, that's what we used. Right? Yeah. And I'm going to keep this one out, and I'm going to figure out when these days are, and I'm going to use them for those days. So, as long as I remember what sticker book they were. So, teacher rules. Let's push all this to the side. Here it is. This is like the beat up sticker of the page. And voila. It's not that cute, but it's going to be functioning. And the more I get into it, the more I feel like it's going to be better. So just remember, if your pages do not look fabulous, it is perfectly fine. It is fabulous to you. And if it functions, it's even better. So here we have week 4. And I use dates and holidays, memory keeping, and teacher rules. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you come back to see how I set up my week number 5. And I will see you guys later.